Hi, so in this video I'll be showing you how to create a custom visual. This custom visual is known as the bullet chart. So you can import this from the app source. You can go to the click on the three dots right here, go to import from app source and search for the bullet chart. This was the one that shows me. It's right at the top. So I've already imported it and it's right here. So let's get straight to it. I expand and I click inside, and now look at the options that you have available here. So in my category I want to have my product. In my value I need my actual, and in my target I'll have my target value, I'll have my target. So a bullet chart is basically a bar chart with extra visual elements to provide additional context. So usually it's useful for tracking goals. It's a replacement for the gauge in meters, and it was developed in order to overcome the fundamental issues of gauges and meters. So right now you see a normal bullet chart. Now if we scroll down right here, I have some other options available to me as well. So I have my minimum, I have my maximum, I have very good, satisfactory, good, needs improvement. So I'll put my poor and needs improvement. I'll put my satisfactory under the satisfactory head, and I'll put my excellent under the good head. So right now do you see what happened? The entire thresholds changed when I defined what good is, what satisfactory is, what poor is. So the entire thresholds changed. So when I look at this, so now when you go to the formatting options, you can go to data values, and here you can actually manually set the thresholds that are there. So for example, for the target value or for the needs improvement, I can set what should the threshold be, between what and what should the threshold be. So that can be done as well. Not going to do that right now, we don't need that. And the other options are the tooltips, and you have the category, you have the orientation which you can change. So you can have it as vertical top. It was horizontal left right now. You could change it. You've got 4 options. You could make it vertical bottom, you could make it horizontal right, so I'll keep it horizontal left. And you've got the colors options as well, so you can change the colors for each of the bars, for each of the part of the bar. And you've got the axes, and it's turned on. You can turn it off, turn it on. It's not an issue. These are available in other visuals as well. The title, the look aspect, that is also available in other visuals. I'm going to add a border so that it looks better. So 1 second, I'll just reduce the size. Yeah, right there. So this is how you create the visual known as the bullet chart, the custom visual. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.